Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Maker, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos and also make different product reviews so that you can understand how does the skincare formulation actually work. If you like videos that I make, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. The eyes are the most beautiful part of our body. If someone suffering from dark circle observes that they're looking very dull, they're looking tired, and they don't have the self-esteem to present themselves, that becomes a challenge. So today in this video, I'm going to be talking about what are the different causes. Why does the dark circle form under your eye area? How to cure them, how to treat them, and what are the different creams that you can apply. A small spoiler alert, you cannot treat dark circles completely, but you can treat them to a certain extent where you can see the visible reduction in the pigmentation near your eye area. When you have dark circle, this is how it looks like on skin of color, and this is how it looks like on the Caucasian skin. You see, there's a difference. Although the skin of color does suffer the most because it looks way more darker and it does reduce your self-esteem. So the skin around our eye is very, very thin as compared to our face. And the eye area is having a lot of blood vessels, a lot of veins there. And due to this reason, we can see those veins and we can see that the eye area affects the most. And early signs of aging come from the eye area and then it proceeds to the rest of the face. Now, the first topic of interest is how does the person get dark circles? There are numerous reasons why people get dark circles. The first reason is that they do take a lot of stress. They sit in front of the computer and work for every day, and that too more than what is required, and straight keep observing the screen, and then that can lead to stress on your eyes and that can lead to dark circles. It's an everyday challenge right now. Due to the increase of requirements of the different screen, there is blue light emitting from the screen, and that is affecting the eyes and the muscles near your eyes, and that is leading to dark circle. The second reason why is that you're not eating proper diet food. There is iron deficiency in the food. You're not eating a lot of green leafy vegetables. You are avoiding good fiber food, whereas you're selecting burgers and junk food over healthy food. So this can also lead to dark circle formation under your eye. Consistent use of bad habits like smoking, excessive alcohol drinking, use of different drugs can lead to formation of the dark circles as well. The next reason is why, because you're not wearing a proper glasses that has been allotted for you, and some people avoid using spectacles and they sit in front of the screen or else read the book, and you're stressing your eyes more, and that is why the muscles and the blood vessels near your eye are getting more stressed, and that is leading to dark circles as well. Even eczema-prone skin people can have dark circles. It is just because your skin is tending to get dry, and the skin near your eye area is thin and it is much more drier. So what happens is that the pollutant enter that dry skin area and trigger the melanocyte present on that skin surface, and then that leads to much more pigment formation. This reason is the most observed among the patient, and that is lack of sleep. Due to the stressful environment, everyone has different tasks to complete in a day, and due to this reason, people are not sleeping and compromising with their sleep. You should understand that a normal adult, to function properly and to heal their body, they should have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day, every single day. Less than that can show results, especially near your eye area, leading to dark circles and stressed out appearing face. The last reason is the exposure to the sunlight and also genetics. If you have a dark skin and you're exposed to sunlight, you're not taking proper precautions, that can also lead to dark circle formation under your eye area, and that is not a good sign because the UV radiation is starting the aging near your eye area, and also not having a proper protection of SPF 50 can lead to much more wrinkle formation and dark circle formation. The more you age, your dark circles become much more darker, and that is not great. And then there is genetics. As I mentioned, genetics is something, it has been passed on from the different ancestors, and sometimes the genes get triggered in some patients and you cannot 100% cure it. Although you can try to get rid of the pigmented area, you will try to reduce the appearance of dark circles, but 100% result cannot be observed. Now to the second part of video, how to treat or else reduce the formation of the dark circles. So the first one that you have to keep in consideration is that you should not wear any cream or any sort of eye cream that is having fragrance and alcohol in its formulation. If you have a number glass, then please start wearing it and do an eye checkup every 6 months to see if the number has been changed or the number is the same or the number has been reduced, because it is very important to wear what is your number on your eye, and that can reduce the appearance of your dark circles. Use a proper sunglasses, especially a big ones which covers your eye area completely, and also wear a proper scarf as well as hat when you're going out in the sun. And in summertime, it is a must that you apply a SPF and high sunscreen near your eye area. If you have a dry skin, then try to use more of a mineral sunscreens. And if you have a very healthy skin and yet you have the dark circles, try to use chemical as well as mineral sunscreen near your eye area. Drink adequate amount of water. Yes, this is a very important step that you have to take into consideration. The dark circles are appearing because there is a lot of blood clot, because there is a lot of blood vessels, and the more you drink water, there is going to be hydration, the blood flow will be proper, and that would be really good for your reduction in the dark circle. You need to drink adequate amount of water allotted for the male as well as female. For female it is 2 liters and for male it is 2.5 to 3 liters of water, and it is very essential to drink adequate amount of water every single day, and it is a must step. The next thing is that you need to avoid the hot beverage like the coffee intake. You can have like 1 or 2 cups of coffee in a day. Trying to have more than that is just making you hyperactive and producing a lot of caffeine in your body, which will not let you to have a proper sleep at night, and it can lead to formation of dark circles. Now for the cream, I am going to be disclosing the essential ingredients that you have to find in your eye cream or your moisturizer. I usually don't spend on the eye cream. I use the moisturizer near my eye area, and that works very well for me. So the first ingredient, if you are a Caucasian skin or skin of color, that the ingredients that you have to keep in mind is the alpha arbutin. It helps to reduce the tyrosinase. It is an enzyme that produces the melanin. It is really good to cure the pigmentation near your eye area as well as on your skin. Then is kojic acid. Kojic acid is an ingredient extracted from the mushroom. It does wonders, and there are different soaps available, soap bars, but I would rather suggest to use a cream. There are a lot of creams available in the market in different concentrations, but kojic acid is good to be used in lesser percentage, and it helps to cure the dark circles near your eye area. Then there is vitamin C, which is L-ascorbic acid. Then there is thioethylascorbic acid. The vitamin C near your eye area should be used in lesser percentage. Don't go for a very potent type of vitamin C with 16% or more. You need to use something that is 10% and it is gentle near your eye area. It should not have any sort of fragrance as well as denatured alcohol in its formulation. Vitamin C with vitamin E is really good choice because it is very soothing for the skin near your eye area, it kind of moisturizes it. Next cream that I'm going to be suggesting is the vitamin A. I'm a huge fan of retinols as well as tretinoin, and I like to use it near my eye area, but I don't use like a single pea size amount near my eye area. I just apply the tretinoin all over my face, and then the remaining I just spread it near my eye area. It helps to boost the collagen production on your skin, and it is really good for anti-aging purpose. If you are someone who is suffering from wrinkle formation, early signs of aging, then you can incorporate tretinoin into your skincare routine. It's a whole new topic to talk about. I have made a lot of videos on it, so make sure that you check those out. Then there is lactic acid formulation ingredients. You can use it in lesser percentage. For skin of color, you should use it less than 3%, and for the Caucasian skin, it can be used up to 10% of lactic acid. It is fine to use 10%, but don't go beyond that near your eye area. Now for the treatment, I'm going to be bringing forward the good and effective way of treating dark circles. And if you want instant results, then you need to go with the fillers, hyaluronic acid fillers. They show like instant results once you inject it under your eye area. It reduces the appearance of the dark circle by grabbing all the water molecule, because hyaluronic acid is a powerful water magnet and it hydrates the skin under your eye area. Then there is platelet-rich plasma therapy. If you don't know what it is, we take the blood from the patients and then we centrifuge it. And after that, the blood cells are been thrown out and we use the plasma to cure the under eye area. And that leads to the production of collagen, and hence we can observe reduction in the dark circle formation for the patients. This is a pretty pricey therapy. It is only been executed by the dermatologist. You cannot do this at home or in under any sort of esthetician. My suggestion is to go to a very well-known, reputed and a very well-reviewed doctor, not to just go and execute this process from any doctors or any estheticians. This is not how it's supposed to be conducted. It should be conducted in sterile conditions with the professionals. Then there are chemical peel treatments where you can use mandelic acid, kojic acid, arginine, and as well as lactic acid. It depends on different skin types, and the acids that are used, the peels that are used near your eye area are very low concentration peels. So all the dermats can look at your skin and tell you exactly which peel will work well for your skin type. Mandelic acid is usually used for the skin of color people, and lactic acid, kojic acid is also depending on the skin of color as well as the Caucasian skin, but the concentrations are working differently for different skin type. So that is it for this video. I hope I covered all the points related to the dark circles. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below, and also reach out to me on my Instagram handle. And also make sure that you write down in the comment section below what video should I make next and what are your suggestions. So I will see you soon in another one. Take care and bye.